Our mobile phones are everything. We use them to communicate, work, and play. They are our cameras, our maps, and our entertainment centers. Smartphones keep us connected to the world around us. They have become essential tools for modern life. But what happens when they break? A cracked screen or a dead battery can be incredibly disruptive. Suddenly we're cut off from our photos, our contacts, and our access to information. That's where mobile repair technicians come in. These skilled professionals have the knowledge and expertise to bring our devices back to life. They are the unsung heroes of our digital age, ensuring that we stay connected. Mobile phones are intricate devices with many components that can malfunction. Some of the most common issues technicians encounter are cracked screens, battery problems, and charging port failures. Software glitches can also bring a phone to a standstill. These issues might involve operating system errors, app crashes, or data corruption. Whatever the problem, a skilled technician can diagnose the issue and recommend the best course of action. Mobile repair requires a unique blend of technical knowledge, dexterity, and problem-solving skills. Technicians need to be familiar with the inner workings of various phone models. They must stay up to date on the latest technologies and repair techniques. Successful technicians are meticulous and patient. They understand that even a small mistake can have significant consequences. They take pride in their work, knowing that they are helping people stay connected to what matters most. Section 4, the art of repair. One of the most common repairs involves replacing a cracked screen. This delicate procedure requires specialized tools and a steady hand. The technician carefully removes the damaged screen, separates it from the phone's body, and then installs a new screen. Technicians also handle battery replacements, charging port repairs, and even complex motherboard repairs. They are masters of micro-soldering, using specialized equipment to repair tiny connections on circuit boards. Section 5. Empowering the future learning mobile repair. The demand for skilled mobile repair technicians is only going to grow in the coming years. As we become increasingly reliant on our smartphones, the need for reliable repair services will continue to rise. Learning mobile repair skills can be a rewarding career path. It offers the opportunity to work with cutting-edge technology and to make a real difference in people's lives. Numerous online resources and vocational schools offer comprehensive training programs for aspiring technicians. By learning mobile repair, you can join the ranks of these skilled professionals who keep our digital world running smoothly.